To start with, you open Access and you get to this page. Click Blank Database to start from scratch. Open that up, and then each field across the top you need to set up based on what options you want to be within your form. And then after your form is set up, it's going to populate this database at each time you fill out the form. So here you can maybe collect a name, click to add text. That's just the type of field that you want to do. So you put in name. It's going to give me a warning, and basically that's telling you want to change the name to something different. It uses name for something else in the system, so contact name. Text, maybe you want to record the date and the time that you did this, so date of contact. Another one, maybe you have a yes or no question. You could either use this yes or no checkbox feature, or you can use a lookup relationship, which is for anything. If you have multiple options that you want to offer in a drop down menu, you can use lookup and relationship to create that. Memo is a larger text field, so if you're taking notes and that type of thing and have more text than just a name or a short entry, use memo, and there's not as much of a character limit on that. So you could have a notes field. You could fill out as many fields as you need on here, and then when you're ready to create your form, just save this. You can call it client info, client database, whatever makes sense. Save it. Close this, and then you want to create a form based on this database information that you laid out on the last step. So you click create across the top, you click form wizard, and this just guides you through a quick process to make a form. If you select the double arrows, it puts all of your fields in the form. You don't really need ID in there, so you can remove that by selecting the single arrow to take it back out. That will be auto-generated. Once you're ready, click next. And here you select just the layout for your form. Justified makes the most sense for most of the forms I do, but you can look through and experiment with the different layouts if you want to. I'm going to use justified. Click next. Right here, it names your form just based on the database, or you can rename it to something you want. Once you finish building the form, you'll have the option to either modify the form's design, or you can go ahead and open the form to begin entering information. I'm going to click modify the form's design, but keep in mind either way you can always go back and modify the design. I click finish, and it opens up the page to modify the design. You can see if you didn't modify the design, the fields are just very randomly auto-generated out. The size of the boxes doesn't necessarily make sense because it doesn't know how large the field you intend to be. So you can hold shift to select both the header and the information box below it if you want to resize them to the same width. You can also select them both and drag the fields around. You can select just the information box underneath if you want to resize it and make it larger, or smaller. And you can spend some time going through this and getting everything to look at kind of the layout that you want. When you're done with that, click the Save button. Close that, and if you open it just by double clicking it, it'll open up your form. So you can have a bunch of fields. Obviously, you're probably going to have an email field, you're going to have a phone number field, a date of contact, notes, and so on. But this gives you an idea of how you would build out that form. And then each time you fill out an entry, right here's the database. So each time you do an entry, it'll add another row for that entry onto the database, which can be used for a number of other things. But this is just a basic way to get you going with a contact form or any other reason you would need to fill out a form to build a database. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. As always, have a great day.